Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to cook sardine baazi. It's really easy. So first things first, it's a tiny bit of oil, the tiniest amount. And here I've got ready is my finely chopped onions with 2 green chilies. Once the oil's heated up, we're going to add the onions. So here it goes, along with the green chili. Going to add a tiny bit of salt. Don't need too much for baazi. Just about this much, okay? And then give it a good mix. If you feel like the onions are browning a little too much, just add a tiny amount of water. Let the onions melt. After a few minutes, we're going to go ahead and add spices, about half a tablespoon of mixed curry powder and a small tablespoon of turmeric powder. Okay, we're going to keep it simple. Again, if it is beginning to dry up, add more water. Okay, when you do add spices to anything, make sure you give it a good 10 minutes to cook. You'll want to taste the raw spice. So I'm going to let that mix it nicely. Okay. So it's been about 10 minutes since the spices have been cooking. I'm going to have a quick check on that. If you feel like it's getting too dry, then feel free to add more water. We are now ready to add our sardines. Here I have my sardines. There's 2 tins there which are in tomato sauce. If this wasn't in tomato, it's olive oil, I would always add a tomato to my spices. Okay. Once you've added the sardines, let that cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Have your sardine baazi ready. So after checking up on it, I did add a little bit more water just because it was burning a little bit. So make sure you guys check on it every 5 minutes or so, guys, just to make sure it's not burning. But this is how it is. So it is pretty much done. I've just taken it off the hob now, and this is pretty much it. Make sure you finish it off by garnishing it with coriander. If you guys give it a try, let me know how it turned out. If you guys enjoyed it, until next time.